What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a stock analysis on Globalstar. Ticker symbol is GSAT. If you guys are hyped for this video, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to join the family. Also, turn your post notifications on. That way you get notified every time I do post a video. Like I've been saying in the past few videos, I am coming out with something that will get you notified every time I do make a decision on a trade. These will be short-term trades, long-term trades. So be prepared for that coming in the coming weeks and months. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. That way you can get notified every single time I do place a trade, and it will be 100% free. That's right. I'm giving this to you guys for free. That way we can build the team and build a family together, and we can all get rich together, baby. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to use any of the platforms that I use, you can go to the description down below and get some free stuff. It helps me out and it will help yourself out as well. It's free, so why not do it? But with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so what is exactly Globalstar? Globalstar engages in the provision of mobile satellite services. It offers voice and data communications services to the following markets: recreation and personal, government, public safety and disaster relief, oil and gas, maritime and fishing, natural resources, mining and forestry, construction, utilities, and transportation. That is a long list. The company was founded in November 2003 and is headquartered in Covington, Los Angeles. The listed name for GSAT is Globalstar Inc. So Globalstar was up 8% on the day on Friday, and it is currently trading at $1.87. In the past week, it is up 35%. Past month, it's up 30%. Past 3 months, it's up 32%. Past year, it's up a whopping 493%. And the past 5 years, it is up 64%. So the past year, why has this stock been going just absolutely bonkers? We are going to get into that later in this video. But it looks like this stock can potentially be setting up for a huge play. We will see how that goes, but it looks like, the chart looks like it was setting up for a huge play. We will go into the technicals of it later in the video at the end, but first we will be talking about the financials of the company and the fundamentals of the stock, exactly what their plan is, what their future goals are, what their present goals are, and just everything that has to do with the company. The company does have different channels of revenue: the multifaceted investment opportunity, the cash flow driven by legacy services, allows the company to focus on SPOT, commercial IoT, and terrestrial spectrum, positive financial trajectory in core businesses, and improved capital structure. First terrestrial spectrum lease agreement signed in 2020 with Qualcomm chipset inclusion in 2021. So they are with 340 plus employees across 12 different countries. They have 745,000 total subscribers to date. Their 2020 adjusted EBITDA is up 31%, and they are looking for a bright future in this company. Like I said, they have different channels of revenue, and they have a diverse customer base with not one single customer contributing more than 10% of their revenue. They have established relationship with key resellers and retailers, new products designed for growing IoT use cases. They are working closely with Nokia around private wireless deployments. So they have direct-to-consumer, they have value-added resellers, partnership sales, independent gateway operators, and some of these big names include Amazon, Nokia, Speedcast, amongst others. So as Also, they are working with Shell and BP as their blue chip customer base. So as you can tell, they have a strong foundation of customers, and not one of these customers contributes more than 10% of their revenue, which is huge. So if one of these customers backs out, they will still be good to go. Let's get into the juicy stuff, and this is their financials. So average customers from 2016 to 2020, it has not increased by that much. It going from 689,000 in 2016 and to 760,000 in 2020. They actually had about 766,000 in 2019, so 2020 was down a little bit. Their adjusted EBITDA has been pretty good on the rise in millions. First in 2016 was 21 million, then up to 32, then all the way up to 41, then back down a little bit to 38 in 2019, and up to 42 in 2020. So this chart here is a little bit outdated. It's as of April 21st. It says share price was 89 cents and now it is $1.87. But their total shares outstanding is close to 1.8 billion. They have, which makes their market cap now over 3 billion. They have $13.3 million in cash and cash equivalents, $4.7 million in restricted cash, making their total cash $68 million. Now they do have almost $377 million in total debt, with a market cap of, like I said, over 3 billion right now. So right now, I do not think this is a company to invest in, but that does not mean we cannot trade the patterns. So let's go take a look at the technicals. Okay, so we have the yearly chart here, pulled up for GSAT, and let's take a look at this. So, like I said, the price is currently sitting at $1.88. So we are going to draw some lines here. It looks like we have a pretty decent trend line. That's not the right line. We have a pretty decent trend line here. Look, this is not going to be the best lines. Excuse my drawings here. But we got an upward trend going on. There we go. That looks pretty good. Upward trend going on. And this one looks like it is about to break out. I see an area of resistance right about here or so. Let's change that color. I'm going to make that red. See an area of resistance right about there, and it looks like it is ready to break. We have a nice rounded bottom down here, and it looks like we have some accumulation of shares going on down there, which I like to see. So we like to see these rounded up bottoms followed by a consistent uptrend. You can see a very nice reversal right down here, and then it hasn't stopped since. So you can see that nice reversal down there, and now it's just in that upward trend. So this one looks like it is about to break out. If it can hold that 188 mark, which is right there, then I will be picking up some shares in this. And looks like Reddit has been trying to pump this one, so we will see how that goes. But tomorrow or today, as you were watching this, if this can hold the 188 level, I see potential for it to go much higher and even maybe potentially break all-time highs if possible. All-time highs was upwards of $2.98. But that is my technical analysis for this play. This one looks like it is getting ready to run, so there will be no harm in trading this one. But make sure you guys are doing your own research. Make sure it's the right setup for you and you have high conviction on the play. Otherwise, do not take it. But that's my technical analysis on Globalstar. I hope you guys found this very informative. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you guys did, please make sure you smash that like button. It helps out the channel and I really do appreciate that. Also, consider subscribing to the channel because we are growing as a family and I want to continue that growth. Like I said, I will be releasing something very shortly so you can take the same trades or at least get some ideas on some trades that I am making. But I am going to be wrapping up the video here. I will see you guys in the next video. Let's make some money in this brand new week of the market. And let's all do it together, baby. That's what life's about. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.